Hello, welcome back to my Sinha YouTube channel. As I promised you guys, I come with YouTube for Beginner video series. In this video, I am going to talking about how to create an Gmail account step by step. Watch the entire video because everything I say it is important. By the way, before we proceed to the video, shout out to SK Motivation, Manoj Tech 94 and Ajay. Thank you for your support. I always do a random shout out from my subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in my next video, subscribe now. Let's move on to the video. Open up your Chrome browser. Then you can type here in the search bar, create Gmail account. Then you can see right here, create a Gmail account. This first link, just click on that. Then you will get this page and you can see here, create an account. Just click on that again. You can give your first name, last name and username, also your password. Now you can give your first name over here and your last name. Now you can choose your username for this. Also you can give your password. Just retype your password. Then give next. Then you can give your mobile number here. You can choose your country where you stay in right now. And if you have any email ID, you can give for recovery email address. And you can give your birthday details, month, day and year. And now you can choose your gender here and give next. Then you will get this page, privacy and terms. Just give all agree. Now you already create your Gmail account. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.